In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Google Drive. If you're working from a laptop, there are 3 simple ways to get your videos into Drive using a web browser. I'll walk you through each method, explain what to expect, and share a few tips so your upload goes smoothly. First, the classic browser upload. Open your preferred browser. Chrome works great. Then go to drive.google.com and sign into your Google account. Once you're in, look to the top left and click the New button. From the menu, choose File Upload. A file picker opens. Navigate to the video on your laptop, click it to select, and then choose Open. The upload starts automatically. You'll see a progress indicator appear in the corner of the Drive window showing the file name and status. You can keep browsing in Drive while it works, but avoid closing the tab or putting your laptop to sleep until it finishes. When you see the check mark and the file appear in your Drive, you're done. Next, the fastest way, drag and drop. With Google Drive open in your browser, open your videos folder on your laptop so both windows are visible. Click and hold the video file, drag it over the Drive page, and release when you see the drop overlay. The upload begins instantly, no extra buttons needed. If you want the video in a specific folder, open that folder in Drive first, then drop the file there. This method also works if you select multiple videos at once. If you have many videos or an entire project folder, use Folder Upload. Click New again, but this time choose Folder Upload. Select the folder that contains your videos and confirm. Drive will upload everything inside, preserving the folder structure. You'll see progress for each file, and you can continue working while it runs. A few important tips before you wrap up. Video files can be large, and Google Drive supports files in the gigabytes, depending on your available storage. Your upload speed depends on your internet connection, so wired or strong Wi-Fi is ideal. Common video formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, and UMV are supported. After the upload completes, Drive may still process the video for playback. You can usually start watching right away, even if processing continues in the background. If an upload seems slow, keep the tab open and your laptop awake and let it finish. That's it. Choose the method that fits your workflow, and your videos will be safely stored and ready to share in Google Drive.